Hello, welcome to today's video. My name is Derek. It is the 17th day of April 2013, and it is that of a Wednesday. This date here, September the 12th, 2012, was the day of QE Infinity. Silver price action when it was announced was basically right around here, 33.20ish or so. Right now, it's at the 23.20ish or so. So down about 10 or about 30-something% from the announcement. Interesting to say the least. Anyway. The volume never did get above 1 million on any single day until this day here on the 19th. This is the volume from the NetDania site, and the legitimacy of it is interesting to say the least, but I'm not too sure exactly, but I'm still going to go with it anyway. So what we're seeing here is this larger volume, but something to just keep your eye on right now. Okay, follow through with okay volume, nothing major, 695. Now you get volume of 2.1 million, and it's got an up candle, so maybe we're going to start to rally from here. Yeah, okay, we got another 2 million, rallies in place, pull back on lighter volume, pull back on still lighter volume from the big two, and now we got a rally from this, and well, it's going sideways, but the volume's bigger because we now got consecutive days. We got one over this 1.7 mark. We've now had 5 different days above it here, which is telling you something's got to give. But now it doesn't look like that bounce is happening anytime soon. It could happen on any given day. It might take its time, and you still got to watch out for that wash out high volume day. Volume now makes a new record, but it's just going sideways. It's common now to get over 1 million, not every day, but now volume's back to its previous levels. Back over 1 million, but just going sideways, and there's massive volume again, but still in that range. And boom, nothing on that day. The size of this candle is tiny, yet we now got massive volume. Now, interesting candle here. Notice this red-looking candle that made a new low. No, it didn't go below this one here, but it recaptured. That's pretty much a bullish candle, but the next day, you seen how it gave it back, so that's definitely a warning sign that we're going to test the 26th level. And there we have the 26th test coming, but volume is now staying in the 5 million range, which is now dwarfing the size of this one in here. But you really can't consider this to be a washout break, maybe a tiny one at best. And then boom, this is what occurred, of course, on Monday. Volume this massive, dwarfing this, and then of course dwarfing all of this back in here. And of course, this is where we stand right now. Looking at this on the 1 hour time frame, you're down moving. It's been in the sideways consolidation right now, and it's one of those something's got to give moments. It may not look like much is going on, but a lot is actually going on. We can see today we had this low, which was lows not seen since, well, even since back here, which was 11 o'clock 2 nights ago. And then highs not seen since up in here. The Fibonacci retracement from this low and this high, the key one, the 61.8% down one, I've already calculated to be 23.188 on this time chart, which is right here, where this bottomed, and then you have a little bit of a rally, break through support, and you're pretty much barely above that level right now. So when I look at this, okay, is this small little failed breakdown that's going to make us a rally up to here? It could be. Very easily could be. It also could be that now we're resisting this Fibonacci area that was support, breaking down below 2308. Most likely not only a test of below here, but as we move into Thursday, I would look for a test again below 22 and a decent shot, of course, that it takes it out. I'm expecting these areas to be the bottom when it finally settles down, but when and to what level, I really don't know. And if you're the type of people looking to say, okay, I want a good deal, and you don't want to buy too much, if you want to buy quite a bit, you'd buy all the way down. 23 you buy, then you buy at 21, you 20, whatever you can. I went to a coin dealer yesterday. No, not surprised he didn't have any bullion, but I haven't seen the guy in about 2 years. And the prices offered were, well, let's put it this way, $0.50 was being offered for the Canadian one for 10, and the price on coinflation was 7. And on the way up from this level here, at the 23.50 back in 2010 when I was buying them, I was buying dollars for like 13 and 14 at that price, buying them below spot. That just shows you right there that people aren't selling at the prices that you would hope to be getting for. So it's going to be a challenge to be buying it for as low as possible. That's what I'll say. So do the best that you can, if of course that's what you're looking to do. But if you're looking to just buy once, I would expect, no guarantees on it of course, that it will have a test of the high 20s 2021, low teens 18 19 ballpark area, which would be the aggressive level. And probably you probably might not have that long to be able to buy at different sites like the big sites like APMEX and such, and not have headaches buying from them. There's already delays on Silver's Eagles, but it's only a week and change. That's light. And of course, then you got the spot prices. Keep an eye on that because it could very easily go higher as well. Okay, so that's the chart analysis that I wanted to go over there. So keep your eye on this 23.18 level. If you can start to notice that it's holding above, say 40, or making 40 to resistance and holding this this area here support for a decent amount of time, yeah, we'll probably go up to here. But that's all short-term analysis anyway. I want to finish this off a little bit with Bitcoins and withdrawing. Now, I've never, ever had a Bitcoin, so I'm just going to be going with what I've seen on the internet. And this video here was from edworldsuck.com, and I watched this because pretty close to when it came out, but I wanted to wait a couple weeks before commenting on it. And basically, he went to withdraw Bitcoins. They want like verification of such, which is like giving a passport or driver's license. I've had to go through this within online gaming before, and it wasn't really much of a headache, but that's why I wanted to wait a bit. But I wanted to wait for him to do a video, or at least check some comments out like this. Did you get your Bitcoins back? Nope, still nope. I've sent 2 support tickets already, and I've still not released. Now, granted, they say they're backed up with people to answer, but it's been almost 2 weeks. So I'm not going to give any recommendations. I'm just going to give an idea. If I happen to have Bitcoins and I happen to want to withdraw them, I think the most obvious way to do it now is to not do it in this method and to use it in the method that I see Bard on 11970 use on March 22nd of this year, where he went to this site here and bought silver or buy gold. So if you want money, that's obviously you're getting money. And if you want paper rectangles, well, this is actually a good time to sell silver. Now, when I say that, I only mean it one way. The reason why it's a great time to sell silver is because of the premiums. If you're looking to sell, you'll get a better premium now than most other times, because if you're trying to sell on the open market, say Silver Eagles, maybe all you can get is $1 or $2 of a premium on top of spot when you're trying to sell locally. Okay, that's great. Well, now you're going to be able to get a premium of 4 and 5. Okay, well, I'll sell you these Eagles, but 28. And they're like, oh, man, I can't get it cheaper than that. Sure. So that's really the only way I say it's better to sell. But, yeah, so thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.